creating your own scripts has never been easier. Now we can use our own templates. Here I have a top-down movement template that I have created beforehand. Now, obviously, you can see this is the complete script that you would need for top-down. However, it works. Let me show you how we can do that. Essentially, all we need on the bottom left of our screen, we can see the scripts template folder. You do need this folder by default. Now, you can change it. You can check out the Godot documentation, but by default, Godot will search for this name specifically inside of Godot. Then you will need to type in the node that you want to create a template for. So a folder needs to be created for that node. And then you can create a script. Now, here is my script. You can add these to change the description, the name, etc. And here is the rest of the actual script. And you can see that this gets ignored because here in my script template that I applied to the node, it's gone. But we do have the code, which is very cool. And now we can create very easy script templates inside of Godot. And that is pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, check out my channel down below. Hit subscribe and like and comment and share. And I have a subscriber list down below where I send out weekly challenges every Sunday. Definitely check that out. It's pretty fun and engaging. The link will be down below in the description, the first link. So go check that out. And hopefully I'll see you guys there. So bye-bye for now.